Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Discord icons not showing. So let's get started. As you can see here, my Discord icons and stuff are completely fine, they're showing up, but in case yours is not, then I'm going to show you a solution. So first thing you want to do is you want to hold Windows and R at the same time on your keyboard. Then you're going to type this in. Just pause the video, and after you've typed this in, just hit enter in your keyboard or click OK. From here, you're going to right click on host, then you're going to click on properties. Now you're going to click here, and then you're just going to change the name of the file to pretty much anything. And once that's done, just hit OK or hit enter on your keyboard. Now just click on continue, and that's it. After that, your Discord should be working normally again. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.